Hey folks, in this video, Tim Thomas here. Want to get up here and talk about the Live Good opportunity. Want to look at the some of the products. Want to dive into the Live Good weekly fast start commissions. The weekly fast start commissions is a game changer, folks. It's changed the game. The way we do MLM and work from home. The fast start commissions. I'm going to explain to you how they work. And that alone, folks, that alone is a game changer. It gives you upfront money to go put it into marketing. You're able to market, to buy traffic, to buy your clicks, or however you market your business. This is going to give you upfront money on the front end. I always preach that, money on the front end. So the back end, we can build the income of our dreams, and you won't go broke in the process. So, folks, this is exciting times. I want you to join Live Good, get involved. We're going to show you what we believe that you can make. Of course, income disclaimer, in this life, nothing happens until you take action. We've got some great things happening. And come on in. The water's fine. We can build this thing out, folks. Eric said this morning in a video, I'm very impressed with that. Stay in this thing a year. Give it a year, guys. Give it a year and a few months. Maybe a year. And you'll be glad that you did. You will be absolutely... It don't happen overnight. No, nothing happens overnight. Rome wasn't built in a day. But over time, folks, we can build the income of our dreams. It's possible. The link will be below the video to get started. The power line is incredible. The fear of loss. And I want to tell you, guys, if you're watching the video, if you got a position held, upgrade before Thursday. Thursday, 8 p.m. I'd say 8 p.m. I believe it's midnight, but I'd say 8 p.m. Upgrade before that call. And lock in your position. The higher up you're in the matrix, folks. What if we can throw or 500,000 to 3 or 4 million people over time, over a year or two, join this matrix program? Only place for them to go is in up under the ones that's already in. So I'm telling you what, folks. First 100,000 people into this matrix is going to be incredible. So I'm very excited about it. Let's run over here and look at a few things. When you get a chance, guys, you can check out my YouTube channel here. I do several things online. All these businesses are rocking and rolling. I got a video here that I did. So we're excited about what we've got going on. Find something that resonates, get involved, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Well, weekly fast start commissions, we get paid 6 ways. 6 ways we get paid. I'm going to nail down in this video the weekly fast start commissions. Now, big shout out to our upline, Jose Green. Big shout out to Kelly Tuller and all of those folks that are up above me in this program and those that are partnering. I want to say thank you to all of you that have partnered with me in this program and will partner, and those that have partnered in other programs. Thank you. It's not about us. It's not about you. But it's how many people we can throw out a financial lifeline. Show them a better way. Zig Ziglar said, help get enough people what they want, and you can have everything in life that you want. Folks, this lead capture page does all the selling, telling, explaining for you, so you never have to. This video converts like it's nobody's business. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? This video, guys, gals, it converts like nobody's business. Changing the products. Breakthrough marketing system, huge compensation. Are you ready to make a difference in your life? Folks, the products alone are incredible. You can get all this whole kit for about less than $250. You can sample the products, give them away as gifts so people can sample the products. Guys, this is the most powerful system in the industry. Get a head start on building your team. The products sell themselves, generous compensation, but life-changing results, folks. We did this a few years back. And we're doing it again. And we're doing it at warp speed. Where would we be next year at this time? Dream a little bit, folks. Dream a little bit. Get in. Jose is even putting together some postcards for people that want to mail postcards. I believe in a lot of postcard marketing. I believe in direct mail. I believe in online traffic also. Show you how to get tons of it. Turn it on like water. So let me go over here before I get to this. Right here, lock in your positions, guys. I want those of y'all that are secure your position today. today, as you watch this video, if it's before Thursday, lock in your position. People are coming in around the clock, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, into this power line. I'm going to lock you into this thing because everybody that comes in this power line, you're in front of them. You came in before. But if you don't lock in position for Thursday, they'll leapfrog in front of you. So you've got the potential of hundreds of people leaping in front of you. So you want to lock in your position, guys, as quickly as possible. And folks, this is exciting. The products are incredible, and we'll go from there. Quickly, let's rush over to look at a couple of products, and then I'm going to go straight into the comp plan, the 6 ways we get paid, but I'm going to focus on the matrix. I'm focusing on, not the matrix, but focusing on the weekly fast start commissions. Let me say that again. I am focusing on the weekly fast start commissions. Let's look down here. Let's go and look at the products. Let's look at some of the products, guys. Does Live Good have good products? I would have to say absolutely yes. And folks, I'm telling you, gone are the days. Gone are the days of paying $400 and $500 to get involved with an opportunity and put it on auto ship. You know what I'm saying, guys? For network marketing. Now, guys, there's a better way than buying a bunch of overpriced products to stock in the garage. But buy a product that resonates with you. Buy a product that you're going to be buying anyway. A pre-workout or multivitamin, magnesium, coffee, CBD oil. Some of the products that you're going to be buying, why not become a member? Just the same as Exam Clubs and at Costco. That's what this membership's about. You join for $49.95. You join for $49.95, and then you pay $9.95 a month. That's incredible. And folks, people will stay with this thing for years to come. They changed the game on it. And now, by becoming a partner and an affiliate, you get the right to get these products at a retail price versus you get them, at a member price versus that retail price. And that's incredible. You get the member price. Very excited about this. Bone support here, the protein, complete plant-based protein. That's a bucket, guys, incredible. Super greens, organic super reds, organic coffee, CBD oil, CBD for pets. Don't you love your pet, guys? You can get stuff for your pets. Incredible. Amino acids. Here is the energy, electrolytes. Great tasting berry flavor. Instant youth, guys. This ageless product. Guys, we had this over with Skinny Body. We had Skinny Body going. Y'all remember that. It's very excited about this. Here's our product package, daily essentials. You can get a product package, guys, here. Wellness pack. You can get lean body pack. I'm going to look in a little bit more into that. I need to slim up a little bit. See, the holidays are over, and I need to slow down on snacking and all that. I need to get more involved in some of this stuff here, and which I will this year, 2023. Very excited about it. Energy, guys, if you need energy, and you can get the whole pack, guys. Absolutely incredible. Very excited about the whole pack, guys. You can order the whole pack. Look, $19.90. Let me repeat that, guys. I apologize. $219.95. $219.95 versus the member $349. Membership has its advantages. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this. Let's look at this bucket of protein. Let me look at the price on this. Look at that. Member price $22. Retail price $34. You get that bucket of protein as a member price for $22. Big welcome to Charles down there in Texas. Charles, if you're watching the video, welcome to the video. Shireen, welcome to the program. I want to welcome Michael to the program. Jonathan, all you guys that joined today, welcome to the program. We could not be more excited to have you here. Look at this stuff, folks. You get a daily essential pack. Look at this. You can get all this for men and women. Member price, $49. You can get it for about $30. You're talking about 4 different products, guys. Absolutely incredible. Okay, let me get off that. Hang on tight. Let me get this back to going, and then I'm going to finish up the video. What I'm attempting to do, guys, let's look at it. The weekly fast start commissions. The weekly fast start commissions. They're rocking. Here's the way they work. The weekly fast start. For each person that you refer to Live Good, and they become a member for $49.95, we will reward you with a $25 paid out commission the very next week. Folks, you can, if you're a good marketer and you get after this thing, folks, you can make $200, $300, $400 a week. We got people out there that have made over $500 a week in this program already in the last 2 weeks. Incredible. For every person you refer, you're going to get a $25 fast start commission paid the very next week. Plus, I got about $250 check coming next week in my first week in the program. Incredible. And plus, any people that you choose, they will also receive, plus any of the people that you choose to enroll, not only will you be rewarded, but you will also receive additional bonus up to 10 levels deep everywhere in the matrix as you rank up from bronze to silver to gold to diamond. You're going to be rewarded down to 10 levels. So you want to rank up. We'll talk about how to rank up in another video. Kelly Tuller has videos on it if you want to know about how to rank up, guys. Very powerful. Very powerful. Weekly fast start commissions are paid out on the first memberships month at $40 affiliate sign up fee. So you'll receive $5 for any member you refer, plus $20 for any new member affiliates that you refer. $5 for the members, $20 for the affiliates. Since people join as a member and affiliate, most of the time, guys, 99% of the time, 98% of the time, they join as a member and affiliate. Both of these amounts equal $25 paid the very next week, straight into your checking account, straight into your iGlobal wallet. We'll go over those wallets in another video, guys. You can get paid in Bitcoin. You can get paid in a paper check. We've got many ways that will get you paid, and we'll get you paid on time. Folks, the weekly fast starts is one of the 6 ways to get paid. They are incredible. For every person you refer, remember that. Keep it simple. For every person that joins as an affiliate and a member, you're going to get $25 paid out to you the very next week, guys. And you can go dump that into your marketing to recruit more people. See, it is a wheel of money or income if you get good at it. I'm excited, guys. If you got any questions, hit me up. Information below the video. Get signed up today. Get upgraded before Thursday. Each Thursday cut out, and encourage your people to do the same thing and do it over and over and over again. And folks, you can win. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.